Welcome to AI Unraveled, demystifying frequently asked questions on artificial intelligence, the podcast where we dive deep into the latest AI trends. Join us as we explore groundbreaking research, innovative applications, and emerging technologies that are pushing the boundaries of AI. From ChatGPT to the recent merger of Google Brain and DeepMind, we will keep you updated on the ever-evolving AI landscape. Get ready to unravel the mysteries of AI with us. In today's episode, we'll cover the availability of the AI Unraveled book, the improvements made by GPT-4 in content moderation and efficiency, the superior performance of the Shepherd language model in critiquing and refining language model outputs, Microsoft's launch of private ChatGPT for Azure OpenAI, Google's use of AI in generating web content summaries, Nvidia's stock rise driven by strong earnings and AI potential, the impact of transportation choice on inefficiencies, the various ways AI aids in fields such as cancer research, image manipulation defense, robot control learning, robotics training acceleration, writing productivity, data privacy, as well as the updates from Google, Amazon, and WhatsApp in their AI-driven services. Hey there, AI Unraveled podcast listeners. If you're hungry for more knowledge about artificial intelligence, we've got the perfect resource for you. Check out AI Unraveled, Demystifying Frequently Asked Questions on Artificial Intelligence by Etienne Numen. It's available right now on Shopify, Apple, Google, and Amazon. Just follow this link, https://amzn.to/44y5u3y. Now let's dive into some fascinating news. OpenAI has big plans for its GPT-4. They're aiming to tackle the challenge of content moderation at scale with this advanced AI model. In fact, they're already using GPT-4 to develop and refine their content policies, which offers a bunch of advantages. First, GPT-4 provides consistent judgments. This means that content moderation decisions will be more reliable and fair. On top of that, it speeds up policy development, reducing the time it takes from months to mere hours, but that's not all. GPT-4 also has the potential to improve the well-being of content moderators. By assisting them in their work, the AI model can help alleviate some of the pressure and stress that comes with moderating online content. Why is this a big deal? Well, platforms like Facebook and Twitter have long struggled with content moderation. It's a massive undertaking that requires significant resources. OpenAI's approach with GPT-4 could offer a solution for these giants, as well as smaller companies that may not have the same resources. So there you have it. GPT-4 holds the promise of improving content moderation and making it more efficient. It's an exciting development that could bring positive changes to the digital landscape. A language model called Shepherd has made significant strides in critiquing and refining the outputs of other language models. Despite being smaller in size, Shepherd's critiques are just as good, if not better, than those generated by larger models such as ChatGPT. In fact, when compared against competitive alternatives, Shepherd achieves an impressive win rate of 53.87% when pitted against GPT-4. What sets Shepherd apart is its exceptional performance in human evaluations, where it outperforms other models and proves to be on par with ChatGPT. This is a noteworthy achievement considering its smaller size. Shepherd's ability to provide high-quality feedback and offer valuable suggestions makes it a practical tool for enhancing language model generation. Now, why does this matter? Well, despite being smaller in scale, Shepherd has managed to match or even exceed the critiques generated by larger models like ChatGPT. This implies that size does not necessarily determine the effectiveness or quality of a language model. Shepherd's impressive win rate against GPT-4, alongside its success in human evaluations, highlights its potential for improving language model generation. With Shepherd, the capability to refine and enhance language models becomes more accessible, offering practical value to users. Microsoft has just announced the launch of its private ChatGPT on Azure, making conversational AI more accessible to developers and businesses. With this new offering, organizations can integrate ChatGPT into their applications, utilizing its capabilities to power chatbots, automate emails, and provide conversation summaries. Starting today, Azure OpenAI users can access a preview of ChatGPT with pricing set at $0.002 for 1,000 tokens. Additionally, Microsoft is introducing the Azure ChatGPT Solution Accelerator, an enterprise option that offers a similar user experience but acts as a private ChatGPT. There are several key benefits that Microsoft Azure ChatGPT brings to the table. Firstly, it emphasizes data privacy by ensuring built-in guarantees and isolation from OpenAI-operated systems. This is crucial for organizations that handle sensitive information. Secondly, it offers full network isolation and enterprise-grade security controls, providing peace of mind to users. Finally, it enhances business value by integrating internal data sources and services like ServiceNow, thereby streamlining operations and increasing productivity. This development holds significant importance as it addresses the growing demand for ChatGPT in the market. Microsoft's focus on security simplifies access to AI advantages for enterprises, while also enabling them to leverage features like code editing, task automation, and secure data sharing. With the launch of private ChatGPT on Azure, Microsoft is empowering organizations to tap into the potential of conversational AI with confidence. So, Google is making some exciting updates to its search engine. They're experimenting with a new feature that uses artificial intelligence to generate summaries of long-form web content. Basically, it will give you the key points of an article without you having to read the whole thing. How cool is that? Now, there's a slight catch. This summarization tool won't work on content that's marked as paywalled by publishers. So, if you stumble upon an article behind a paywall, you'll still have to do a little extra digging. But hey, it's a step in the right direction, right? This new feature is currently being launched as an early experiment in Google's opt-in Search Labs program. For now, it's only available on the Google app for Android and iOS. So, if you're an Android or iPhone user, you can give it a try and see if it helps you get the information you need in a quicker and more efficient way. In other news, Nvidia's stocks are on the rise. Investors are feeling pretty optimistic about their GPUs remaining dominant in powering large language models. In fact, their stock has already risen by 7%. Morgan Stanley even reiterated Nvidia as a top pick because of its strong earnings, the shift towards AI spending, and the ongoing supply-demand imbalance. Despite some recent fluctuations, Nvidia's stock has actually tripled since 2023. Analysts are expecting some long-term benefits from AI and favorable market conditions. So, things are looking pretty good for Nvidia right now. On a different note, let's talk about the strength and realism of AI models. These models are incredibly powerful when it comes to computational abilities, but there's a debate going on about how well they compare to the natural intelligence of living organisms. Are they truly accurate representations or just simulations? It's an interesting question to ponder. Finally, let's dive into the paradox of choice in transportation systems. Having more choices might sound great, but it can actually lead to complexity and inefficiencies. With so many options, things can get a little chaotic and even result in gridlocks. It's definitely something to consider when designing transportation systems for the future. So, that's all the latest news for now. Keep an eye out for those Google search updates and see if they make your life a little easier. And hey, if you're an Nvidia stockholder, things are definitely looking up. Have a great day. Have you heard about the recent advancements in AI that are revolutionizing cancer treatment? AI has developed a model that can help pinpoint the origins of a patient's cancer, which is critical in determining the most effective treatment method. This exciting development could potentially save lives and improve outcomes for cancer patients. But it's not just in the field of healthcare where AI is making waves. In the era of deepfakes and manipulated images, AI is emerging as a protector. New algorithms are being developed to detect and counter AI-generated image alterations, safeguarding the authenticity of visual content. Meanwhile, researchers are streamlining robot control learning, making the integration of robotics into various industries more efficient. They have uncovered a more straightforward approach to teaching robots control mechanisms, optimizing their utility and deployment speed in multiple applications. This could have far-reaching implications for industries that rely on robotics, from manufacturing to healthcare. Speaking of robotics, there's also a revolutionary methodology that promises to accelerate robotics training techniques. Imagine instructing robots in a fraction of the time it currently takes, enhancing their utility and productivity in various tasks. In the world of computer science, Armando Soler Lezama has been honored as the inaugural Distinguished Professor of Computing. This recognition is a testament to his invaluable contributions and impact on the field. AI is even transforming household robots. The integration of AI has enabled household robots to plan tasks more efficiently, cutting their preparation time in half. This means that these robots can perform tasks with more seamless operations in domestic environments. And let's not forget about the impact of AI on writing productivity. A recent study highlights how ChatGPT, an AI-driven tool, enhances workplace productivity, especially in writing tasks. Professionals in diverse sectors can benefit significantly from this tool. Finally, in the modern era, data privacy needs to be reimagined. As our digital footprints expand, it's crucial to approach data privacy with a fresh perspective. We need to revisit and redefine what personal data protection means to ensure our information is safeguarded. These are just some of the exciting developments happening in the world of AI. The possibilities are endless, and AI continues to push boundaries and pave the way for a brighter future. In today's daily AI news, we have some exciting updates from major tech companies. Let's dive right in. OpenAI is making strides in content moderation with its latest development, GPT-4. This advanced AI model aims to replace human moderators by offering consistent judgments, faster policy development, and better worker well-being. This could be especially beneficial for smaller companies lacking resources in this area. Microsoft is also moving forward with its AI offerings. They have launched ChatGPT on their Azure OpenAI service, allowing developers and businesses to integrate conversational AI into their applications. With ChatGPT, you can power custom chatbots, automate emails, and even get summaries of conversations. This helps users have more control and privacy over their interactions compared to the public model. Google is not lagging behind either. They have introduced several AI-powered updates to enhance the search experience. Now users can expect concise summaries, definitions, and even coding improvements. Additionally, Google Photos has added a Memories View feature, using AI to create a scrapbook-like timeline of your most memorable moments. Amazon is utilizing generative AI to enhance product reviews. They are extracting key points from customer reviews to help shoppers quickly assess products. This feature includes trusted reviews from verified purchases, making the shopping experience even more convenient. WhatsApp is also testing a new feature for its beta version called Custom AI-Generated Stickers. A limited number of beta testers can now create their own stickers by typing prompts for the AI model. This feature has the potential to add a personal touch to your conversations. And that's all for today's AI news updates. Stay tuned for more exciting developments in the world of artificial intelligence. Thanks for tuning in to today's episode. We covered a wide range of topics, including the release of the AI Unraveled book, how GPT-4 improves content moderation, the impressive performance of Shepard in critiquing language models, Microsoft's private ChatGPT for Azure, Google's use of AI for web content summaries, and various advancements in AI technology. See you in the next episode, and don't forget to subscribe.